Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a waitlist to your packages for the marketplace. First, go into that package settings and go all the way to the bottom. By default, the instant book option will be selected, so you're going to have to turn on that enable waitlist option. There's a couple different sections here. One is turning on the waitlist immediately. The second is turning on a waitlist when a purchase limit is reached. So if you have that purchase limit to 20 packages, after that 20th package, that waitlist will turn on. Or you can have the waitlist turned on after a specific date. Once you make these settings, you're going to have to republish that package so they do save whenever someone tries to buy that package. If someone does join the waitlist, you will be notified and it will show up here under that waitlist tab. If you offer them the package, then they will get a notification and then they will have to go in and actually purchase that package. If you decline on that offer, they will get an email notification, which you can customize it however you want and send it out to them. So that is how you set up a waitlist for your packages on Marketplace. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you all for watching.